why a stronger core can help you reduce lower back pain. So when we think of a lower back, I think of the spine first. So that is quite a stable little structure, but it has a lot of joints in it. So it's highly movable as well. So when we think about what is stabilizing that movable structure, that is our core. So our inner abs come all the way from the sides of our lower back all the way around, and that's sort of like our girdle. So strengthening that will help not only keep your organs in place, but help that scaffolding of that structure. And then we've got another 3 layers of abs on top of that. So all of those movement patterns are designed to scaffold the spine through its movement. And without your core, you won't have it. This is Nancy Jane, your local myotherapist. If you found this video helpful, please like and share, and I will catch you on the next one.